We have Gypsy and Neptune in the Delano dog park. These two are about 2 years old. They're both spay and neutered, microchipped, have received their rabies vaccine, DAPP. They're meeting each other for the first time today, and they're doing pretty good. Neptune is on the more dominant side, but they're tolerating each other very well and they're getting along. They're both athletic, friendly puppies. They're available for adoption or rescue. Gypsy and Neptune. Neptune is the male husky, and Gypsy is our female Staffordshire. Good doggos.